Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks guys so much for stopping by the channel. So it is Tuesday morning and it looks like the rumors we have been hearing about the Ethereum ETF is potentially true. So let's jump into it in this video. Smash the like button if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's talk about Ethereum ETF approvals. Looks like we could see some trading starting next week. All right, so the SEC grants preliminary approval to Ethereum ETFs for 3 different firms, and they are looking at potentially a Tuesday debut. SEC's reportedly given preliminary approval to 3 asset managers for their spot Ethereum ETFs. Oh my goodness. The SEC approval is now only contingent on the applicants submitting final offering documents to the regulator before the end of this week. BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Van Eck, my cat is meowing, I'm sorry, have all gained preliminary approval. So as long as they get their paperwork finalized by the end of this week, we could potentially see trading next week. Fidelity, ARK, 21 Shares, Grayscale, Bitwise, and Invesco Galaxy are also in the running to launch their ETFs. One source told Reuters that all 8 spot Ethereum ETFs are expected to launch simultaneously, almost like what they did, well, not almost, what they did back when the Bitcoin ETFs were approved back in January. SEC has reportedly delivered final instructions to asset managers preparing to launch Ethereum ETFs, according to Bloomberg's ETF analyst. They're supposed to submit their final S1 filings by July 16th, which is today, actually. Bitwise's chief investment officer, Matt Hogan, speculated that the spot Ether ETFs could attract up to $15 billion in inflows in the first 18 months of trading. So this is roughly the same amount that the spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted since launching 6 months ago. Obviously, Ethereum is a smaller market cap, so it's not going to bring in the amount of attention that Bitcoin has. However, it's still expected to be fairly significant. The spot Ether ETFs will be listed on the NASDAQ New York Stock Exchange and the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Hogan expects the SEC to officially approve the S1 filings next Monday after trading hours close, and this would allow spot Ether ETFs to officially start trading on Tuesday, July the 23rd. So that's basically what we're looking at. And guys, in my opinion, that this offers more than we can really put into words here. I mean, opening up to Ethereum ETFs. I mean, I understand Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Right, people hold it, people trade it. It's very similar to, I guess, kind of similar to like a stock or gold, things like that, right? And it's obviously been compared to things like gold. Obviously, Bitcoin is digital gold. So but opening up to Ethereum ETFs is a completely different animal, in my opinion. This is going to open the door for a lot of other altcoin ETFs. Maybe we'll see. I'd like to actually see a meme coin ETF, have the top meme coins put into an ETF, and then basically you would gain, based on how well they perform. I think that would be pretty cool. I think this opens up the doors to a number of different things. We've already heard talks about Solana. We've already heard talks about XRP and a number of different other altcoins that could potentially be seeing ETF approvals and such. Solana has already somebody has already submitted one for Solana, so that's very interesting. And I kind of can't wait to see where this is going to go. I mean, this coming right before we get our biggest, bull run. I think this could be very, very interesting, in my opinion. To see it go live so soon as well, we could see some pretty good inflows coming in from this, in my opinion. It could be a little bit of a sell the news event at first, kind of like crypto normally is. But so just be cautious there. Just be wary. Watch the markets. Watch the charts, kind of thing, and kind of see what happens there. But yeah, I think this is a good thing. We always say, we want to be better than stocks, and we want to have a better way for smaller people and like people like you and I, basically, your average Joes, to be able to actually make a little bit of money, because stock market is like you have to have so much money to basically make money, and with crypto it's completely different. And having them come into our market, kind of so to speak. Some people get a little bit put off by that, but I think anything that really anything that really solidifies the crypto market as legitimate, in my opinion, is a good thing. You're going to have, asset managers holding Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't think that that's a bad thing. It gets people into the crypto market who might not otherwise have really ventured in because they think it's a scam or what have you, but they're comfortable with, an asset manager holding onto their funds. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, nobody has a crystal ball, but I think that this is going to be a pretty big deal for crypto as a whole. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.